Ever had a wobbly desk ruin your productivity? It's time to put an end to that. There's nothing quite as frustrating as a desk that shakes and shifts every time you so much as breathe on it. It's a common issue that hampers productivity and breaks concentration. A stable workspace is paramount to efficient work. It's the foundation on which your creativity and productivity are built. After all, no one wants their cup of coffee spilling over their important documents, right? But worry not. Fixing a wobbly desk is easier than you think. First, let's understand the problem. Is it a loose screw, an uneven floor, or a damaged desk leg? To diagnose the wobble, start with the simplest explanation: loose screws. Check each joint where the desk legs meet the top. Are any of the screws loose? If they are, that might be the problem. Next, consider the floor. Sometimes the issue isn't with the desk at all. Place a level on the floor to see if it's even. If the bubble doesn't rest in the middle, you might be dealing with an uneven surface. Finally, inspect the desk legs. They should be straight and sturdy. Check for any signs of damage like cracks or splits. If one leg is shorter than the others, that could be the culprit. Remember, a keen eye and a bit of patience can go a long way in diagnosing a wobbly desk. Identifying the cause is half the battle won. Now, on to the solution. Depending on the cause, we have different approaches. Let's dive right in. Firstly, if the culprit is loose screws, the fix is straightforward. Grab your screwdriver and tighten each one. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Ensure all screws are secure, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the wood. If your desk is wobbly because of an uneven floor, furniture pads or coasters are your best bet. These are easy to install. Just peel off the backing and stick them on the bottom of the desk legs. They not only stabilize your desk, but also protect your floor from scratches. Lastly, if a damaged desk leg is causing the wobble, you have a couple of options. You can use wood filler to repair small damages. Apply it, let it dry, then sand it down for a smooth finish. If the damage is more extensive, it might be time to consider replacing the leg. Look for a matching leg online or at a local furniture store. With these simple steps, say goodbye to your wobbly desk. Let's do a quick recap. We diagnosed our wobbly desk issue, then fixed it up nice and tight. Extra tips? Keep your desk maintained and check for looseness regularly. Remember, a stable desk means a stable mind. Happy working!